Oops, need to change that purchase order in SAP. Here's your quick theory guide. Mistakes happen. Requirement change. One of the most common tasks in procurement is needing to modify an existing purchase order. Gone are the days of navigating deep SAP menu for simple change. If you are on SAP S/4HANA, the Fiori app Manage Purchase Order make this process incredibly user-friendly. Purpose: to correct inaccuracies in a purchase order that has already been created. Prerequisite: simple. The purchase order must already exist. The quick, simple process using the Fiori Launchpad as a purchaser. So first, log on to your Fiori Launchpad. Okay, like this. And then open the Manage Purchase Order app. You will see your list of purchase order. Manage Purchase Order. That select apps and the Manage Purchase Order. That is the first. So you have also the option to go, for example, because you used recently used or most used, you have manage purchase orders. There's a different way to do that, to call the application. So open the manage purchase order app and you will see your list, not the list, the list of all the purchase order created in SAP. So don't worry. Sometimes it takes long time, particularly after an update. As you know, in this case, in SAP Fiori Public Cloud, um, each 3 or 6 months, you have um, a new update automatically. And that is amazing because you have nothing to do. You have a ton of new features automatically available in your system. So that is great. So you have no features, for example, to um, manage purchase order or to manage sales order. And sometimes you see, oh, what? It's great. I've got a new version. So you will see how manage sales order version 2, for example. So I've got some views. So I change it and go to the standard. I click on go to see you that the list of all there is 528 purchase order in the system. So the next time, use the filter go button to find the specific PO you need to change. So I have a look, for example, to display all the purchase order created yesterday. So I use the filter purchase order date, and then I click on go to restrict the list. Okay, five purchase order in the system. Your first question is what is the difference between the this one and this one? You have, for example, in this column, the information with the he advanced purchase order. That means some futures are not completely available in Fiori. So ACP continue to display the purchase order with the web key, with the MA23M. So information for advanced indicator. We are enhancing the Fiori app for no editing text you do the advanced app, interpreted features. So some features are not supported. So there's a big difference. You have the design is not the same. So but at the end you can change the purchase order. So click the detail a row on the right side of the row to view the purchase order detail. Click on it. Like this. Um, Critical point. If the PO is currently in an approval workflow, you cannot make change yet. Wait for it to be approved or rejected. Or you click on withdrawal in this case. In previous screen, you select your purchase order and you click on withdraw from approval and you are able to make any update. So continue. If it's not in approval, hit the glorious edit button. The PO opens in change mode. So edit, you opened, you open, opening in change mode. So change any fields that need correction, quantity, delivery date, etc., assuming no follow-on document blocks the change. And you can change anything, but if you change something that cannot be changed automatically, you will receive a message from SAP. Okay, you cannot do it. So for example, if I want to change, for example, the purchasing group, change the purchasing group. If, for example, I want to increase, for example, the price, or I want to change the quantity, for example, I would like to convert. Okay, I change also the price. I click on enter, like this. Automatically, you can see that you have two option order, and if you have any issue with your network, don't worry. In Fiori, you have like Microsoft Office, a draft automatically. That is amazing features in Fiori and for SAP. So use the order button usually at the bottom to perform a completely check and save. So you have some warning message, for example. So perhaps SAP say you, oh, be careful, the delivery then can be made and delivery in the past. So you just have to click on the message and to change, for example, oh yes, change it. Okay. It's not on open day, and the next automatically you, as you can see, yeah, you receive automatic some information. Click on apply. Check the message if any pop up, fix any error, but and then hit the order button at the end to save your change. Click on apply. Okay, that is only the warning message, so it's good. I click on order. You will get a success message like purchase order has been saved. Confirmation your change are live. So, pro tip, while changing the PO, pay special attention to the good receipt, invoice receipt, and good receipt non-valuation parameters in the item detail. These directly influence what an asset linked to the PO is activated. You can toggle good receipt non-valuation to switch asset activation from invoice receipt default to good receipt. So Fiori truly streamlines this essential daily procurement task. What is your favorite SAP Fiori app for procurement task? Share in the comment and do not to forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.